Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Monday.com CRM for lead tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using Monday.com CRM for lead tracking, visit Monday.com in your web browser. Click on the sign up button if you are a new user, or log in if you already have an account. Fill in your details, or use an existing Google or Slack account to log in quickly. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, locate and click on the Templates option on the left sidebar. Scroll through the available templates until you find the CRM template. Click on the Use Template button to begin setting up your CRM. Name your new CRM board something relevant to your lead tracking needs. You can customize your board by adding or removing columns as necessary. For lead tracking, consider adding columns for name, email, phone number, status, and follow-up date. Now, start adding leads by clicking the plus new item button. Enter the details of each lead in the corresponding columns. To keep track of communication, use the Updates section to log notes and interactions. Set up automations by clicking on the Automate button at the top of your board. Choose from pre-made automation recipes or create custom ones to suit your workflow. You can also integrate Monday.com with other tools, like email and calendar apps, for seamless tracking. Consider using the Views feature to organize leads by different criteria, such as status or priority. To monitor performance, check the Dashboard feature for visual insights into your lead tracking efforts. By following these steps, you will have a fully operational lead tracking system with Monday.com CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.